nature just feels so good, so refreshing. Let me show you, when they run Wally leave, live on the playfield in our community, and it's a feeling like no other. Okay, just perfect. If you never smell bad-ish, you would have perfect. It's a blessing, me I tell you. And just know that God only will provide better after this life. This earth is so beautiful, yet still there is more beauty to be seen that is in store for us. Things like this, like the more we realize and understand the purpose of life and why we're here on this earth, it makes me just more relax. Because tomorrow is promised to no man. Tomorrow is guaranteed to no man. But right now is guaranteed because I am alive right now. And if we can't take up one leave and appreciate and see the value in our life, how am I going to see the value in